Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 6 for SSC Board. Chapter number 7 Mensuration. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 7.3, page number 154. Question number 1. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of sector associated with the arc. Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Solution. Given radius r is equal to 10 centimeter and measure of an arc of the circle is equal to 54 and it is equal to central angle theta, and therefore theta is equal to 54 given here. Okay. Now area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So substitute values here. 54 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So this gives you 3 upon 20 into 3.314 upon 100 into 10 into 10. So this 100 and this 100 get cancelled and is equal to 3 into 314 upon 20. Give division of 2 here. So this is 3 into 157 upon 10 is equal to 471 upon 10 and is equal to 47.1 cm square. And hence area of sector is equal to 47.1 cm square. Question number 2. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree and its radius is equal to 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Now in this example, theta is equal to 80 degree given and r is equal to 18 centimeter. So length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Substitute values is equal to 80 upon 360 into 2 into 3.14 into 18 and is equal to 8 into 3.14 is equal to 25.12. And hence length of an arc is equal to 25.12. Okay. Question number 3. Radius of sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter and length of its arc is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of sector. Solution. R is equal to 3.15 centimeter and L is equal to length of an arc is equal to 2.2. So here you use other formula for find the area of sector. So area of sector is equal to R into L upon 2 is equal to 3.5 upon 2 into 2.2. Simplify this, you will get 3.85 cm square. Okay. And therefore area of sector is equal to 3.85 cm square. Question number 4. Radius of circle is 10 centimeter area of sector is 100 cm square. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. Solution. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Area of sector is equal to 100 cm square. Area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minus sector, and therefore pi r square minus 100 is equal to 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 100. So 3.14, here you simplify this. 3.14 is equal to 314 upon 100. So this 100 and this 100 get cancelled, and it is equal to 314 minus 100 is equal to 214 cm square, and hence area of major sector is equal to 214 cm square. Question number 5. Area of a sector of a circle of radius 10 cm is equal to 30 cm square. Find the length of the arc of the sector. Solution. Radius is equal to arc is equal to 10 cm given. Area of sector is equal to 30 cm square. So you know area of sector is equal to R into L upon 2, and therefore L is equal to A into 2 upon R, and is equal to 30 into 2 upon 10, so is equal to 6 centimeter, and hence length of an arc is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Question number 6. Radius R is equal to 7 centimeter. Measure RMBN is equal to 60 degree. Find the area of circle, then area of sector OMBN, and area of sector MCN. Okay, so this is a figure given. This is a central angle theta 60 given, 60 degree given, and radius is equal to 7 given. Find the area of this arc, and area of sector, area of circle. Okay. Now first you find area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled, and is equal to 22 into 7 is equal to 154 cm square. Number 1. Area of sector, this is a minus sector. Area of minus sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 60 upon 360 into 154, and is equal to, if you simplify this, you will get 25.66 cm square. Then area of sector OMCN, that is area of major sector, is equal to area of circle minus area of minus sector O dash MBN, and is equal to 154 minus 25.66, it gives you 128.34 cm square, and hence area of circle is equal to 154 cm square. Area of sector O dash MBN is equal to 25.66 centimeter square, and area of sector O dash MCN is equal to 128.34 cm square. Okay. Now to solve this type of example, simply you remember all formulas. So therefore you by heart all formulas. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.